Hey everyone, Ariel Adams here with aBlogtoWatch at Basel World 2018 with Hublot. This is the new 42mm wide version of the Big Bang UNICO. It's essentially a slightly downsized version of the Big Bang, which was previously over 44mm wide, about 50mm wide. Actually, it might even be, 45mm wide, and this is down about 3mm. Makes it a lot more wearable. I have a relatively small wrist, and you can see that it fits a lot better. I'm going to compare it with one of the larger ones. Now this is the existing 45mm wide Big Bang, and here you see the 42 next to it. Same movement, same case proportions, same materials options. Well, there's 4 versions of the 42, but it's just a downsized version, which makes it a lot more wearable for a lot more people. People have been asking for something like this for a while, and remember, the original Big Bang was 44mm wide. And 45mm wide. With this new larger construction, this was a much bigger watch. So if you like the way the old 44mm wide Big Bang fit, I think you'll actually really like the way this now 42mm wide version of the Big Bang UNICO fits, because the crown and everything makes it feel a little bit larger. This is the steel with ceramic. Titanium with ceramic. The entry-level model is this one. It is titanium bezel and titanium case. Entry-level price is $17,800, and for this year it goes up all the way to $36,700 for this version in king gold. And my favorite is this one with the king gold and the black ceramic bezel that I think is very Hublot. Cool stuff, and you can see more of the 42mm wide version of the Big Bang UNICO on aBlogtoWatch. Thanks.